Hello and welcome to Speed Superbikes. Here today we have a 2002 Suzuki Bandit 600, only just over 15,400 miles on the clock, 8 owners from new. We do have a service book with 3 stamps in the book, fully HPI clear, MOT through till October this year. Now this obviously is an older bike for us, cosmetically probably not up to the standards that we would usually put out for one of our bikes, so we are selling the bike as a PX to clear, which basically means sold almost as spares or repairs, even though the bike was just a normal part exchange. So again, MOT'd, bike sounds as sweet as a nut. We've done an appraisal on the bike, and the 2 issues that probably would need attention come the next MOT in October is we found some warpage on the discs, and the pads are low, so basically the brakes would need doing probably for the next MOT. That's our MOT's opinion. Someone else might not agree with that, but we've said it would need those, so we're selling the bike on that basis. But I say so as a PX clear, spares and repairs, but the bike was a part exchange and starts on the button, which I'll demonstrate to you later on. Pretty standard bike, original colours as far as I could see. You have got a little tail tidy on the back and you have got an arc can, but other than that, many indicators, not too messed around with. But you'll see going a bit wide, obviously cosmetics wise, there are some blemishes on the tank, some little bits of surface rust and so on. Which is why I say we're selling the bike the way we are for that very low price of $9,999, so just under £1,000. So yeah, I'll go through the bike all as we go. So obviously pretty standard bike. You have got some scuffs and things which may have been done because the bike maybe had a little fly screen fitted at some stage, but you've got some scrapes on the surrounds on the speedo and rev counter, a little bit of pickling on the chrome there. Fork seals seem all good, there's no leaking. Obviously you're going to have some on the dust seals there, but they're not actually the fork seals, they're just the dust covers, but there's no leaking on the forks. So it looks like original paint and everything on the wheels. Obviously needs a bit of a clean. I've got obviously the normal corrosion on some of the fasteners, the banjos. I believe it's a stainless exhaust, obviously needs a good clean again. Little radiator, sorry, oil cooler guard on the cooler there, and you'll see the cosmetic rust that we're on about on the bike. I think that's the original finish on the engine, but obviously due to age has tarnished. But for the look of it, you know, should clean up. And again, I am going to do a sort of warts and all on this one because of the status of the bike, so you can see the corrosion stuff and bits we're talking about. So you've got those blisters on the tank which touch up, but we're selling the bike as it is. We're not trying to hide anything on the condition of the bike. Looks like someone has already started on a few bits and bobs. Looks like someone's put some paint on the footrest hangers there. As you can see, surface rust, nothing structural, but surface rust on the swinging arm there. Chain actually doesn't look very old, so I'd say that's been replaced relatively recently. Sprocket looks in good condition, and again I don't think there was anything brought up on the appraisal on that. Paintwork on this side, little scuff there as I can see. Again, blistering. Whoever's had the bike has used it and just not really been that fussed about touching stuff up, so it is a pretty honest bike really. Again, what does seem to be all original paintwork, original seat, no rips or tears that I can see. We'll have to exclude a bit of cat-handedness here because you do need to pull the clutch in to start the bike on the Suzukis, so bear with me. So hopefully that's come out as nice as it sounds in the flesh, but say started on the button, no hesitation, picks up cleanly, no misfires, nothing, sounds as sweet as a nut. Get 15,000 miles, probably what you'd expect. So yeah, full information on the bike on our website, speedthrills.co.uk. You can call for further information on Exeter 01392 211 246, and hopefully if you found this video useful, please feel free to give us a like and maybe subscribe. Thanks again for watching.